Hi YouTube, my name is Boy924 here, doing an unboxing on Goosebumps as I promised in the other one, so let's get started. Just came out today, so rushed to Walmart so I can get it, because I never know when it's going to be sold out. It depends on how popular the movie is. Oh, there's some stuff still on here. Alright, so here it is. Which is pretty cool. Stuff in it. So there's the unboxing. Just doing a quick unboxing. Nothing really special. This is a great movie though. I do recommend it totally. Got it for $17.99, so it came out today, so it might be cheaper today if you guys get it today. So here it is. Really nice packaging. I'm really like the Blu-ray has the cover like this on the disc. Like, I don't know why the DVD is like blank, but because that's how it is. So just a quick unboxing video for you guys, as I promised in the Haunted Mask that I was going to do the new one. So yep, get it today. Thanks.